Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What I have here on the table is another set of plans. And this is a set of plans for an airplane that I started building. And this was a long time ago when I first moved to the area. And I never really finished them. And I have all the trimmings and the cutouts to do the wing. And I started on the fuselage and I never really got to finish it. Um, I'm hoping I can find my cutouts for the nose section. If not, I'll have to kind of wing it. So the plans that we're talking in question are these plans for a Taylor craft. Here's the nose section. This is the nose section here. And these are the plans. This is for the wing. It's got the setup for the ailerons. And this would be the fuselage. Now, it would be a lightweight fuselage, but what I would probably end up doing is covering the fuselage itself in kind of like a soft balsa or a hard balsa or even foam to try and give it rigidity. That way I could fly it in a little bit of a rougher wind. Tail area, if you can see, I would make this solid piece of wood, and this a solid sheet of wood also. So this would be solid sheet, this would be a solid sheet, and the tail would be a solid sheet to give it more rigidity also. But yeah, these are the plans. The wingspan would be 54 inches. Length would be 33 inches overall. So it's a pretty sizable looking little airplane. I know I do have a Taylor craft that's actually it's up there. And that one is the 4-seater. This is the 2-seater. This one's the Taylor craft coupe. That's the sedan. And like I said, I started building it a long time ago, but that would be a set of plans. This would be a set that I would actually start doing. So, more plans, more planes. So, there's never going to be a running out of things to build in this shop. So, I hope when I do start on this build that you guys will watch and follow along, and we'll have a good time building this one, because this is an old golden oldie plane too. But this actually used to be a Comet kit. You can actually see the name here. The plans are upside down. You're looking at them in a different light. But if I'll actually turn her around, you can go on to AutoZone and print these out to a local print shop, and it would be that's the name of the plans. It'd be a Comet kit, and it is a really nice. When I started building the fuselage, I was like, wow, this is really pretty. So this is a set of plans that I'm definitely gonna revisit eventually. Not right now, but eventually I will. All right, guys, that's it for plans talk, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Model Man Frank out.